Best practice for running costs. Optimize Kubernetes applications on GKE. Running your applications on Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, is powerful, scalable, and potentially expensive if not configured properly. In this video, we'll explore best practices to optimize costs while ensuring performance and reliability on GKE. Whether you manage a small startup or an enterprise-scale system, understand your cluster and workloads. Before you can optimize, you need visibility. Start by understanding your workloads. What resources do they actually use? Are they long-running, spiky, bursty? Use Google Cloud Monitoring, Metrics Server, and kubectl top to assess pod and node usage. Right-size your nodes. Many GKE users over-provision nodes, wasting resources and money. Instead, use custom machine types to right-size CPU and memory. Choose appropriate node pool sizes. Remove unused resources quickly. Use Autopilot mode for simpler use cases. GKE offers Autopilot mode, where Google manages nodes and automatically provisions resources. Pay only for pod-level resource requests, great for stateless apps or smaller workloads. But be careful, set correct requests, limits. You're billed for what you ask, not what you use. Use Spot VMs with node pools. One of the biggest cost savers? Use Spot VMs in GKE node pools for non-critical workloads, 60 to 90% cheaper. Ideal for batch jobs, CI/CD runners, caching layers. Use taints to schedule only certain pods to these cheaper nodes. Enable cluster autoscaler and HPA. Don't run full capacity 24/7. Let Kubernetes scale for you. Enable cluster autoscaler to add to remove nodes. Use horizontal pod. Autoscaler HPA to adjust pod counts. Combine them for dynamic scaling. Set resource requests and limits. Properly, a common mistake, leaving resource settings blank. If you over-request, you waste money. If you under-request, pods get throttled or evicted. Set resources.requests and resources.limits. Use vertical pod autoscaler to adjust dynamically. Use preemptible nodes for short jobs. For one-time or short-lived jobs, use preemptible VMs. 70% cheaper, may be stopped after 24 hours or sooner, ideal for backups, ETL jobs, video processing tasks. Scheduling optimizations. Efficient scheduling can significantly reduce costs. Use bin packing to maximize pod density on nodes. Pod topology spread constraints for resilience. Priority classes to preempt less important pods. Monitor and optimize. Continuously optimization isn't one and done. Use Google tools like Cost Optimization Hub, Billing Reports and Budgets, should alerts cloud, Operations Suite for performance, set alerts when usage or spend increases, revisit configs monthly. Let's recap the best practices for running cost-optimized workloads on GKE. Right-size nodes and use custom machines. Use Autopilot or Spot VMs where possible. Enable autoscalers, set correct requests and limits. Monitor usage and costs continuously. When done right, Kubernetes on GKE can be powerful, scalable, and affordable. Schedule free meeting at kubeify.com today.